is better at creating thumbnails, a human or artificial intelligences? Every YouTuber knows that a good thumbnail is one of the most important parts of the video. You can make the best video to ever exist, but if it has a bad thumbnail, then nobody would watch it. So with the rise of all these amazing AI tools, I asked myself if it's possible to make a highly clickable thumbnail that's fully made with AI. Well, in today's video, I will show you how you can make a thumbnail with this one free AI tool. You've probably heard of Adobe's generative fill feature in Photoshop. You can use this feature for free in your browser. You don't need to have Photoshop. I will show you how you can do this. So for this challenge, I need a video idea for this thumbnail. So I asked ChatGPT if he could give me a crazy idea for a video, and I'm going to make it in the style of Mr. Beast, one of the best YouTubers. All right, 24 hours of random kindness challenge. Exciting. So the AI-made thumbnail needs to be fully made with AI. So I'm asking ChatGPT how this thumbnail needs to look. It has given me some conditions: vibrant and cheerful background with mix of color image of you handing out packages, showing different people's emotional reaction to your act of kindness. Use a big, bold font for the video title, such as 24 Hours of Kindness Challenge. All right, let's dive right in. So, first go to Adobe Firefly. Here you have a lot of free beta features Adobe is working on for you to test out. We are going to use generative fill feature for this video, so I want to generate a complete new image. So I'm using a white image to start with. With this generative fill tool, you can simply select a part of your image you want to change and then describe the thing you want to create. Let's get started with our thumbnail. So the first thing ChatGPT created was vibrant and cheerful background with a mix of color. Let's create that first. So first we need to highlight the area we want to create. Then search what you want and the AI will generate images for you. For instance, I want an image of sky. As you can see, I get 4 different images I can choose from. Looks good, but let's add a bit more spice to it. Let's add a road. This one looks good. Next, ChatGPT said image of you handing out packages. First, let's create an image of a man shocked looking at the camera on the left side. As you can see, it gave me 4 different images to choose from. This one looks good. Next, let's create a homeless guy sat down as ChatGPT recommended. Nice. Now let's create a person handing the homeless guy food. Nice, this looks good. Next, ChatGPT said, showing different people's emotional reaction to your kindness. Cool. Let's create that now. I won't create too many people's reaction, but you can create as many you like. Nice, this looks good. And there you have it. A thumbnail created from scratch. I'm definitely going to use this tool for my thumbnails. Let me know in the comments what you think of this thumbnail. And please like and subscribe.